In August of 2016, only 1.28 million Silver Eagles were sold, and that was about the same amount that was sold in July, with June being a lackluster month as well. And when I bring up articles regarding the Silver Eagles, I read collapse. American Silver Eagle sales continue to crumble in August, and I got some charts as it hasn't been good for the amount that has been minted over the summer. So let's bring the first of three charts up, which will indicate the total amount minted each month, January through August, with the green colored bars being last year and reds this year. And 1.3 million for both July and August. And here's a lackluster June, at least in comparison to all the previous other months, bringing us to 5.5 that has been sold, 5.5 million for June through August, where it was 15 last year. However, in the first 5 months of the year, 17 million Eagles were sold last year compared to about 23.5 this year. It seems to me that the big bullion dealers have stocked up, bought a lot more, and I think a lot of it is because previous years, the U.S. Mint, they run out of silver for 2-3 weeks. They don't make any. And that can cause problems, especially in the just-in-time delivery system, where they just good to have more. So that's, I think, the key reason. And I think another big one, too, is the premiums. I don't know about everybody else, but myself, I haven't bought a Silver Eagle in many, many years. 2011, maybe 2012 at the latest. As if I'm going to pay the premium, I live in Canada. I'm going to buy a maple. I think it's a better coin, and I think it's better to buy your own country's mintage coin if you can. But I also like the generic, so I'd be interested. What's your preference within the Silver Eagle? Do you like buying them? Do you like buying the lower premium coins? I'd be very interested to find out. So those are the two key reasons, I think, for this Silver Eagle reduction in sales. I'll be very interested this year to see how the Canadian and the Perth Mint, as well as other bullion dealers, does this year compared to their previous years, because I think they're going to make all-time highs again this year, as they probably did last year. But their data, it's hard to get. Anyway, let's move on to the next one, which is the first 8 months of each year going back to 1990. And obviously, you can see the breakout starting in 2008 and still at a healthy number at very close to 30 million. That's pretty much where it's been since 2011 when it got to that point. 2012 was a little lackluster, but out of the last 5 years, 6 years, 5 of the 6 have been around 30, and still at a good number nonetheless. And the final chart is going to indicate how the last 12 months has been. And I like to do 12 months because there's some months that always do better than others. So this will always have January through December. And I got key highs and lows for the levels. So in July of 1998, the last 12 months was the 3.07 million Silver Eagles sold, which many months today, obviously not the last two, have been beating that number. In 2003, it got down to 11.5. 2007, videos on YouTube would start to appear, like Money as Debt, Zeitgeist, Federal Reserve, and many other great ones that would follow. The greatest out there today, I think, is The Hidden Secrets of Money. And the uptrend from 2007 to 2011 from 7 to 42.5. And I got some other key numbers, but we can see in May of this year, 53.5 million, 12-month running total. And after 3 bad months, you can see the sharp decline to 43 2/3, which is still 1 million higher than the key high of 5 years ago. And I don't think it's going to fall below 35, even really probably even much below 40. But that's just my opinion nonetheless. As I state, I think premiums might be hurting them in the competition sense. But anyway, this is your chart video for the mintage of the Silver Eagles. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.